Understanding the phrase, mortal danger, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, mortal danger. This phrase is not only vivid but also an important one to understand in various contexts. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively in English conversations. Mortal danger refers to a situation where there is a very high risk of death or serious injury. The word mortal comes from Latin, meaning related to death, while danger signifies a threat or harm. When combined, they describe a scenario of extreme peril where life is at stake. To grasp the phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. The firefighters put themselves in mortal danger to save people from the burning building. 2. Hiking in the mountains without proper gear can expose you to mortal danger. 3. The wildlife documentary showed animals that live in constant mortal danger from predators. These sentences illustrate situations where the risk of dying or getting severely injured is very high. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Here are some: lethal peril, life-threatening situation, grave danger. Mortal danger is often used in news reports, adventure stories, and when discussing serious safety issues. It's crucial to use this phrase appropriately, as it conveys a serious level of risk. Don't confuse mortal danger with mortal threat or serious danger. While similar, each phrase has its nuances. Mortal threat often implies an imminent source of potential death, whereas serious danger may not always suggest a life-threatening scenario. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of mortal danger. Remember, effective communication in English involves understanding such nuanced phrases. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.